Hamsters are small, furry rodents that are popular as pets worldwide. Originating from the deserts of North Africa and the Middle East, these adorable creatures have adapted to a variety of environments. Hamster habitats are designed to mimic their natural desert homes, providing a comfortable and stimulating environment for these tiny creatures. First, let's talk about the basic structure of a hamster cage. A standard hamster cage is usually made of wire or plastic, with multiple levels to allow for exercise and exploration. The cage should be large enough to accommodate the hamsters running and playing, and it should have a solid bottom to prevent escape. The cage is divided into different areas. One area is the living area, where the hamster sleeps, eats, and plays. This area should be well ventilated and have enough space for a water bottle, food dish, and a hiding place for the hamster to feel secure. Another important area is the exercise wheel. Hamsters are active creatures, and they need a wheel to run and play. The wheel should be sturdy and have a solid running surface to prevent injuries. The cage also has a sleeping area, usually in the form of a small house or hut. This provides a cozy, dark place for the hamster to sleep during the day. Hamsters are nocturnal animals, meaning they are most active at night. To accommodate this, the cage should be placed in a quiet, low-traffic area of the home. Now, let's talk about the substrate, or bedding, in the cage. Hamsters need a bedding material that is soft, absorbent, and non-toxic. Common materials include aspen shavings, wood chips, and paper-based bedding. The bedding should be changed regularly to keep the cage clean and fresh. Hamsters also need toys to keep them stimulated and entertained. Toys can include tubes, balls, and chew toys. These toys not only provide entertainment but also help to keep the teeth of the hamster healthy. Finally, it's important to remember that every hamster is an individual, and their needs may vary. Some hamsters may prefer a more spacious cage, while others may prefer a smaller, cozier environment. It's important to research the specific needs of your hamster's breed to provide the best possible care. In conclusion, a proper hamster habitat provides a comfortable and stimulating environment for these cuddly creatures. By understanding their needs and providing a suitable cage, toys, and bedding, you can help your hamster live a happy and healthy life.